What if I told you that you could design professional looking graphics, videos, presentations, and social media posts without being a designer, without expensive software, and without any prior experience? That's exactly what Canva lets you do. And in this course, I'm going to show you how. Hi everyone, welcome to this Canva course where we'll go from absolute beginner all the way to advanced real world designs. If you have ever felt intimidated by design tools or thought design is not for me, you are in the right place. What is Canva? So first things first, what is Canva? Canva is an online design platform or a website that allows anyone to create visual content. And when I say visual content, I mean everything from social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, presentations, posters and flyers, logos and branding, videos and animations, even documents and resumes. And the best part, Canva works directly in your web browser and also has mobile and desktop apps. There's nothing complicated to install, and you can start designing in minutes. Why Canva is different? What makes Canva different from traditional design tools like Photoshop and Illustrator is that it's built for non-designers. Instead of starting from a blank page and guessing what looks good, Canva gives you thousands of ready-made templates, drag and drop tools, pre-designed layouts that already look professional. You don't need to understand complex design theories to get great results. Canva quietly does a lot of that work for you. Why should you learn Canva? Now, let's talk about why learning Canva is such a powerful skill. Whether you are a student, a small business owner, a content creator, a marketer, a teacher, or someone who just wants to make things look better or trying to earn some money online, Canva helps you communicate visually. And visuals matter more than ever. Today, attention spans are short. A strong visual can stop someone from scrolling, grab attention, and deliver a message instantly. Canva gives you the ability to create those visuals yourself without waiting on designers or paying high costs. And don't worry, you can start with Canva for free. Canva also has a pro version with extra features, which we'll talk about later in the course. But everything you learn here will be useful whether you are on free or pro. In this course, we will start with the basics, like how to use Canva, how the tools work, and slowly move into better design techniques, social media and video creation, branding and business designs, and finally advanced tools including Canva's AI features. Everything will be practical, step by step, and beginner friendly. So if you are ready to build real design skills without the overwhelm, let's get started. In the next video, we'll take a full tour of the Canva dashboard. I hope you can create a free account before moving to the next video, and I will see you there.